So here we are. So as we can see that this is a dashboard of Google Ads. So right now we are not running any kind of ads, but we have already run some of our company ads, Murmu Software Infotech internship. So I'm gonna explain you in a simple way uh, what are the campaigns and what are the process to uh, create the campaigns. So first of all, in the dashboard, you can see a create button over here. When we click on the create button, we can see campaigns. We have to create the campaign. Campaign is divided into three parts. First is campaign, second is ad groups, and third is ads. In further, I will explain you the three parts, three phase or three groups. First of all, I will click on the campaigns. Then you can see over here that here is sales. It is used, this sales, leads, website traffic, product consideration, brand awareness, app promotions, local store visit and promotions, create without goals. As you can see here, it is written that choose your objective. Objective means what you want from your ad and what your purpose of the running the ad. So like sales is meant to, like, you have an app or you have a product, you want to directly sell it to the customer, like maybe you have a shoe shop or shoe e-commerce shop. So you have to sell the shoe. You can choose the sell option directly. It will directly set up to your e-commerce website and directly redirect the customers to your e-commerce websites. So next is lead generation. It is leads when some of the business needs the leads. Leads means the data of customers, data of audience, or data of whatever the consumers. The leads, the phone number, the email address, their name, their credit card, whatever the leads they need, they can choose the lead option over here. Website traffic is meant to directly drive the traffic to the website, the specific website which you're gonna mention in the ads. Okay. And the fourth one is product and brand consideration. This is the, like, if you had a branded product, or you have a already you have created a branded products, so you can choose this option to redirect the customer or audience to that product page. Brand awareness, as we can see that brand awareness and reach is already mentioned in this word. It's like to make aware the audience about the brand and how you work, what you work, what the service you give, whatever the brand awareness is meant to choose for those when you are going to trying to make your awareness to the audience or the customers. App promotion, as we can see that it is an app promotion. So app promotion means just like you want some downloads or your customer reach, or you want to make awareness to the customer that you have a app with a specific function or specific need to fulfill the need of customers. So you can use this app promotion. Local store visit, it is attached to the GMB and Google My Business profile. So in this, you can redirect the customer direct to your GMB, and over from there, the customer can come to your place, directly come to your address, or directly call to you with this ad, or without campaign, without any goal. It means you can consider whatever you like over here. So for further process, I'm going to select a website traffic to explain how the search ad is created. There are many ads to create, but for now I will explain only search ad. by the knowledge of search ad, you can understand most of the ad creation, how the ad creation is made, or how the steps are made. So I'm going to select this website traffic. Here you can see the conversion goal. Conversion goal is not right now, it's not important to understand. So I'm gonna skip this thing. So continue. Now here we can see that it's written campaign type, it's search, performance optimization, performance max, display, shopping, video, discover. It's this sixth thing is a different platform for different audience. Like search. Search is like in Google search engine, you search some keyword, then your ad will show in this, in search. Okay. And second is performance max. Performance max is the whole combination, the bundle of Google. Wherever the Google service is available, there your ad will show or display in YouTube, maybe in Gmail, in search, in every places where the Google is available in internet. Okay. Display ads is similar, but display ad concludes some videos, images, proper resolution of images for the ads. Okay. Shopping ad directly, it drive the customer to the e-commerce website that you have already. Maybe it can be Shopify or it can be WooCommerce, doesn't matter. Both the websites we make. So you can contact us for the WooCommerce and Shopify website. Next is video ad. Video ad is specialized for YouTube videos. As you can remember or see that the in the middle of the YouTube video, you can see some of the video ads like the products they are selling. So this option is for the YouTube ads. Discovery. Discovery is a option when an Android phone has a option in the search in the mobile. There is a discovery. There we can put the ad also. So this is for the discovery, and it also mentioned YouTube sections also, Gmail section also, and discovery mode and moreover. Okay. So I'm gonna choose search for the basic explanation. Okay. And I'm gonna continue. Here we can see it's asking for website. So for right now, I have a already website div services.com. I'm gonna choose our company website, this, and I'm going to name it like demo website for explaining. Okay, and continue. In next step, we can see here that it's going for bidding, conversion. It's related to the cost of the per click or per conversion of the ad. You can choose whatever cost you like or make it open for all. Okay, it's not properly convenient for understand this part, because it's customer acquisition. Actually, it is for those who has already run the ad and has the data of the previous customer, and it can utilized to narrow down the customers from the previous ads data. Okay, I'm gonna click on next. Here we can select the places where our ad is gonna show, like display network and search network. Search network is a proper purely google.com or Google platforms where the Google exists, but display network is the platform where the Google give the services like Google AdSense services, like other websites where the Google AdSense ads were shown. There your ad will be shown on that place. Location, as we can know that the location, we can select the location, precise location. And the next is language. Most of the time we choose like all of the language. If necessary, we can choose whatever the language we can use. Telugu, we can use Telugu, Hindi, the most of the language in India. Now, most of the thing, this is not necessary for broad uses. In further, I will explain this thing. Now this is the keyword section. Here we can put the keywords properly, the precise keywords or non-precise keywords, and by those keywords we can write down the headings, properly headings. As we can see here, the link of the website is shown that I have given in the starting. Okay, then I'm gonna write some of the headings, proper heading with the keyword matching, then descriptions, images, business name, logo, and site link. As it is not too much necessary to give the site link, but still we consider that if needed we use the site links. And more, there are more assets like we can use a location and full con button. Right now it's not accessible, so it's done. So by putting all of the things, all of the details over here, we can start our ad. So when I click done, the ad is created. Next, now we can select the budget. It's customly, it's recommended, so I consider that it is good for us. So finally we can see that our ad is ready to publish. Okay, actually I have not, okay, it will go to confirm. So it's done. The keywords and the ad didn't give the headings, and that's why it's showing the error, but it's done for. Okay, hopefully you all have understand that how the ads are working and how we can create the ads in Google Ads. Okay, so thank you everyone for this beautiful session.